Hi guys, welcome hard recent info channel. Today I have Honor Magic version 2 and I want to show you how fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your Google Play Store it isn't working and your game are not visible on it. When you have the same problem as mine, you search your game or application but you don't have it there, we can't install it. We must go back to the main menu and tap on our photo on the right corner. There, settings, family and parental control. As you can see now we have page 3, 2 visible game as Mobile Legends games or something like that. We need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And we can easily change it from page 3 to page 16 maybe and confirm all by understood and save. We can also turn off all our parental control by switch off. And that's all. Now we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again and it is visible and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!